Today I am going with your advanced web designing, the exercise which was there in your textbook, and that I have solved it up for you so that you start learning. The first exercise is of filling the blanks. Now it is asked on a dash element is a starting element in an HTML. It indicates that a document type definition being used by the document. So it is a doc type, because whenever you start the element, you have seen many of the practical site, they start with the doc type, means it is a document element. Next question which is there is that the dash is a tag in HTML that describes some aspect of content of a web page. Is a meta. This is meta. Okay. And again the next question, the order list tag defines the order tag, what it defines order list. And the unordered, next question is for unordered list, and what tag we use, that we use ul tag. Okay. Next question, the dash elements creates the inline frame. We all know iframe element, that is a floating element. Next, sixth question we are having, tag is used to specify video. Which tag is used, means which is used to specify the video in HTML, that we use the video tag. Okay. Next question, seventh question, if a web developer wants to add a description to an image, so means an alternative text we use, so we give as alt text. Okay. Next here, next question we are going with the dash property. The dash property is used to set the position for the element position property. It is the dash property is nothing but the position property. Okay, this is the dash property is not, this is the position property. Next we are having next section which we are having is true or false section. Okay, question, state whether the HTML is an object. It is not object or is a procedure oriented language, because step by step we have to follow. If it is object oriented, once you define it upon a HTML file, you just not have to just call the class of that. They have not object of that. So it is a procedure oriented, so it is false. Next is caset is used for, it is true, because character encoding, and it is used in this tag meta tag, and this is the answer of that. And an unordered list can be a numerical or alphabetical. No, unordered list is a bullet list, so it is not a consistor. Order list consists of numerical or alphabetical. Next, fourth question, multi-level list can be created in HTML5. Yeah, you can create multi-level. In nested list, if you have seen, they are multi-level list, so you can create multi-level list. It is true. SRC code, it is not SRC code. Specify the HTML content. No, it's not specify that it's having code, and this another tag is used instead of SRC code, that is it is false here. Okay. Next is what, the control attribute of the control attribute is not applied to add play. Sorry, it's applying, we use the controls to apply, so that how to move the audio or video, so we use, and the answer will be false because it is telling the wrong. Next is seventh question, .css is the extension of CSS. No, it is having the extension .css, so it is false. Okay. Okay, next is here, after the false we have to choose single correct answer from the given option, and here this is what we are going with. Dash element used to create a linking image, so we use image element. For creating an image we have to use this image element, so it is a image element. Okay. Next question we are having, dash tag is used audio files, not a video files, or neither embedded or sound will be used. Next is a programmer wants to define, then for that we use range, not the text boxes or number. Okay, understand this, we use range, this one. Okay, then dash character is used to create ID in CSS, and we all know we use hashtag, so that's why it is hash. Next is choose the two correct answer from the given. Okay, so let me start with the choose the correct answer. List within another list. If we use a list within another list in the nested list, we are order list we are having, and unordered list we are having. Understand? Order list and unordered list. So better understand these things. Order list and unordered list. Another cascading is styling. So we do use order and unordered. Image maps are of two types. What we are already told you, server type and client side and server type. So we are getting the answer at client side and server type. This whatever I have made in bold, this is your answer. Okay, next is a CS rule constraint. Set a constant dash and dash. Sets the constant selector and declaration. Okay, sets the contains dash and dash, selector and declaration. Next question we are having. Create client side image map can be created using two elements, that we use area and map. Without this we can't create the client side. First you have to go with this area and map app, because after that you will be putting this map points on the server side. That's why it should be written in area tag also and map tag. Area tag indicates which coordinates you are using up, so it is area and map tag. Next question we are having, choose the three correct answer from the given options. Now see here, this is all you know. Area tag, what things, reference, href reference, linking of the pages, then the coordinates which we are using, coordinate in that one more thing, what we use, shape. If without shape we can't put the coordinates, so here the things attribute of area tag is coordinate, shapes, href and all. Only three are given, so I have mentioned the three, that is href, this is href, this is chords, and this is alternate text which we want to enter. Next is attributes used with iframe. Attribute used with iframe are. What are the attributes we are using? See here, this src doc, this is the one of the what I in previous row first we are asked you, but this is src doc, and b name. Okay, and c d the source from where you want. These three attributes are there, not all, not hr. Looping is only for audio and video, all for the text. If you want a text there, add, and hr if is not there, it's a source, name and sr. Next, following are the forms controls. We all know, when you have in previous slide only I have shown you what are the control. Email, okay, email I have given you, that is email and search, and then telephone number, that is a telephone number. Okay, some arrangement is maybe not proper. also some arrangement. So after that I have adjusted the answer so that it will be able to understand by you. Next question what we have is that is the fourth question which we are having. This is the fourth question. Attributes used with audio. What are the attributes we use with our? We all know autoplay will be one of the attribute, controls will be one of the attribute, and loop will be one of your attribute. Okay, this is your answer of the loop is one of your attribute and okay, this is your answer. This is controls, this is loop, and this is auto play. Next question what we are having is your fifth question, that is of CSS tab, and we all know internal is CSS tabs are there, external and inline CSS tab we are having. So hope you are going with all this property, internal, external, external, then your inline. This is your D1 will be the answer, that is your inline. Okay, and not a star, not a loop is your answer. Three only stars are the internal, external, inline. Position type is there, absolute is there, static is there, fixed is there. So what will be the answer? Absolute, static, and fixed, not other of that. So absolute, okay, and dynamic is not there, nested is not there. Nested for what we are using? Nested. Types of floating properties we are using left, right, and none. Left, right, and none. Left, right, and none. Okay, this is your answer to the questions we are doing with. So please go with all these answers and start making your notes. Now your match the column I have given for you. Match the column answer I have written here in the form of 1 and CC. Here I have given 1A, so I have put it in this form. So here unordered list, for unordered list C is your answer, that is a bullet list. Second for 2, that is the client side image. Third for B, CSS property, and fourth for E, that is your E part. Let me little bit put upstairs so that you can get the answer of that. This is how the phones are not working properly. Sixth question was this, types of floating properties are left, right, and none I have told you. Next the question we are having, the fifth question is the D, that is the image has a submit button. Already I have done, so again I am showing you so that it will not. See here, first C, second A, third D, fourth, E, and fifth multiple choice questions. So here this is the first attribute of area type what we are HREF, coordinate and all. Similarly, attribute used for I prime are SRC dot name and SRC. Okay. Next is the following are the forms control. What they are the controls? Input type we are writing. So this is email, search and telephone. Attributes used with audio is what? Autoplay, control. Autoplay. This is autoplay, control and loop. Okay. Next code what we are having. Next we are having three CSS type. The question is below itself. It is having internal, external and inline. And position type is 4 type, but basically 3 we have to choose: the static, fixed and absolute. Next is type of floating property is left, right and none. Okay, this is the sixth. And the match the column is what? Again I'm going with the match the column. Sorry. Match the column. First one is C. First C is what? Bullet. Another is for bullet. Use map is using client side, and color is using CSS property. Image is insert an image, and input type equal for submit button we use this. Student, go with this notes and make your notes for your 12 standards, so that it will be helping you to learn how the question is coming up. And now what I ask you that please go each and every video of mine, so that any doubt is there you can comment me and I can clear your doubt. Or so better we go with all those videos. And please subscribe my channels, so that in future what new topics we are going to learn can be seen to you and will be easily available on your YouTube channels. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and give a like button to my channel. Jazakallah khair. Ameen.